Hey guys, today's video is going to be Halloween themed. I'm starting to get in the Halloween spirit. I know we got about 2 months to go, but Halloween's my favorite time of year. So we're going to be drawing a really cute skull and crossbones.
Okay, let's get started drawing our Halloween skull and crossbones. I'm going to start with the skull. Make sort of an oval shape. Come down here, leave some room for the teeth. And then I'm going to draw teeth, just sort of oval shape with flat bottom. This one's only got 4 teeth. And then we're going to come up a little bit ways about here and draw a nose. Fill that in. And then we're going to come over here, draw a big sort of circle-ish oval. Draw one here. And then you could go ahead and fill this whole thing in black, but I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to draw another circle inside that, and then I'm going to fill this in around it so it sort of looks like he's got eyeballs. Fill all this in. Now again, you could leave it like this, but I like to do this. And then come over here, we're going to draw the bones crossed behind him. So I'm going to draw a straight line and some little circle-ish type shapes. And kind of follow it down to where it would be on this side. Straight line. There's one bone. And then we'll come over here. Straight line, two kind of little curvies circled, follow it down. Oops. So there you have, and then you could, if you wanted to, put a little shading underneath where the bones go under. You don't have to though. And so there is a skull and crossbones, but I think I'm going to add a little hat just for fun. So I'm going to make sort of a moon shape, or a, looks like a slice of watermelon, and then come up here and make a half circle like that, and then we'll draw this line across, and then we'll fill this in. Now he's got a little hat. And if you want to add a few more details, we could add like some little marks on the skull, like it's a little worn, some lines here, maybe a couple on the bones, just little dashes and dots. So there is a silly little skull and crossbones, and then you can color it if you want to. Hey guys, hope you liked that video. Thanks for watching. If you did like it, go ahead and hit a like down there for me or subscribe. And if there's anything you would like to see me draw, just leave a comment and I'll get right to it and give you a shout out. Thank you very much. Have a good day.